Morning students. Today we will study motion and time. One by one we will understand the topic. First of all, let us start with motion. What do you mean by motion? Motion is defined as if the object is changing its position with respect to its immediate surrounding and time. Means if immediate surrounding is this wall, blackboard, table, room, building, trees, earth surface, if any object changes its position with respect to this object, time will automatically pass out, then the object is said to be in motion. That I have written here. For example, moving bus is moving on the road, and other buildings and trees are stationary, रुका हुआ रहता है. So motion of bus can be considered, moving bus can be considered as its motion. Motorist is moving on the road, they are also changing its position with respect to immediate surrounding. Man walking on the road is also changing its position with immediate surrounding. So similarly we can define this word rest if the object is not changing its position. As like me, I am standing at my position, I am not changing my position with respect to the blackboard or table or building, so I am at rest. So any object is not changing its position with respect to immediate surrounding and with passage of time, then they are said to be rest. For example, students sitting in the classroom, they are stationary, they are sitting on their position, their seat, they are not changing the position with respect to other benches, building, blackboard, so they are at rest. Man sitting on the chair, they are also at rest because they are not changing their position. Next, we can understand that all motions are relative. All motions are relative. जितने भी मोशन है ये रिलेटिव होगा. All motions में R होगा, नहीं तो motion is relative. All motion is relative. जितने भी मोशन है ये रिलेटिव है, रिलेटेड है, विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे मोशन को विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू WRT मीन्स विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू सराउंडिंग डिफाइन कर रहा है. सिमिलरली रेस्ट को भी डिफाइन कर रहे हैं विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू सराउंडिंग. इट इज नॉट चेंजिंग इट्स पोजिशन. इट इज नॉट चेंजिंग इट्स पोजिशन. सो विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू सराउंडिंग मीन्स मोशन इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू, एंड सराउंडिंग कैसा है भाई, दैट विल बी एट रेस्ट. सराउंडिंग शुड बी एट रेस्ट. सराउंडिंग रेस्ट में होना चाहिए, तो सराउंडिंग शुड बी एट रेस्ट. सो देयर इज रेस्ट, देन देयर इज मोशन. So there is, if there is, you are considering motion, then there should be a rest, and that is why I have written here. It means that all the motion is considered with respect to other object which are at rest. If they are not at rest, then the motion cannot be considered. That is, motion is related to rest. So motion is relative word. Now come to types of motion. Here it is written types of motion and its example. there are 5 types of motion. Number 1, linear or rectilinear motion. Motion is said to be linear or rectilinear if object is moving on the straight path or a straight road. If the object is moving on the straight road, its motion is said to be linear or rectilinear. For example, motion of train. Motion of train. Train is moving on a track which is straight. Next is circular motion. Motion is said to be circular if the object is moving on the circular path or its path covered by it is circle or part of the circle. For example, motion of athlete in the stadium. स्टेडियम में ट्रैक बना रहता है, सर्कुलर ट्रैक रहता है और इलेक्ट्रिकल ट्रैक रहता है, तो वहाँ पे मोशन जो होगा वो एथलीट का सर्कुलर होगा. मोशन ऑफ अर्थ अराउंड द सन, इट इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी सर्कुलर क्योंकि ये मूव करता है सर्कल में. अराउंड द सन. The third number motion is periodic motion. Periodic motion, if the motion of the object is repeating its path after a certain time, then it is called as periodic. So all circular motion will be periodic motion. क्योंकि सर्कल पे घूमने वाला बार-बार अगर घूमेगा तो वो अपने रास्ता को रिपीट करेगा. लेकिन अगर टाइम फिक्स्ड होगा तो उसको कहेंगे पीरियोडिक, टाइम फिक्स्ड नहीं होगा तो उसको कहेंगे सर्कुलर. टाइम फिक्स्ड होगा तो पीरियोडिक उसको कहेंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ मोशन इज oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is defined as to and fro. To and fro, or to and fro is a phrase, or you can say back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth, आगे पीछे. And a to and fro motion of an object with respect to time and surrounding is called oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Example is motion of pendulum. Motion of pendulum or motion of swing. Motion of swing. It is a type of periodic motion. Mind it, oscillation, oscillatory and vibratory. Fast oscillation is termed as vibration. So it is not vibration, it is oscillation. And it is a type of periodic motion. So now come to rotational motion. Next is rotational motion. Rotational motion. Motion of an object is said to be rotational if the object is not changing its position, but it is changing the situation, just like motion of fan. Motion of fan, rotational motion, it is rotational, or you can say it is the spinning motion. If the object is spinning, motion of top, motion of motion of top, this is लट्टू जिसको कहते हैं, fan, motion of fan, these are motion of fan. This is rotating, it is rotating around exact axis. If the motion of the object is like that, कि it maintains the distance from a fixed point, same distance from the fixed point. If the object is, if it is fixed and object is here, this is object and this is fixed point, and this is the distance d, and it is moving, that is maintaining the distance, it is also rotatory motion, a type of circular motion. It also becomes rotatory. But here in the junior classes, in the 7 classes, standard 7, we consider it as a spinning motion. In the higher classes, a spinning motion is different than this motion. So this is a simple explanation